Introducing Social and Apps 4.1 FaceSwap. With this tool, you can swap your face during live video calls. If you don't want others to see your real appearance on gaming platforms or social apps, you can instantly change your look. One of its standout features is the ability to change your skin tone. As shown, the first image is the face used, the middle image is the target skin tone, and the third image is the final result. You can turn this feature on or off at any time, or fine-tune the skin tone with a slider to achieve the exact look you want. You can transform your appearance from a darker skin tone to a lighter one, or anywhere in between, in real time during video calls. It also includes brightness and sharpness controls to help create a more realistic result. In addition, you can remove your background or replace it with a new one. The occlusion feature helps keep the face swap looking natural when your hand passes in front of your face or when you stick out your tongue. There's also a mouth mask option that better preserves natural lip movements while you speak. Overall, Social and Apps 4.1 FaceSwap is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool packed with advanced features for live face swapping. Good thing is you can get this in portable form, just download, extract and use. Another good thing is this don't require high VRAM to use. I tested it on 3GB 1060 GTX. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe it and press bell icon to stay updated. Watch my whole video and don't forget to give a like. Well, let's get started. How to get 4.1 and how to use it for video calling. Click on Buy Me Coffee link in my description to get Social and App 4.1. You will get a link to download a zip file. You can also check my other portable tools of all kind, or if you need installation help you can always message me on my Instagram. After you download zip file, that will be around 4GB file. Extract it with 7-zip. Then go inside extracted folder. There you will see NVIDIA Run Portable File. Double-click on it to start 4.1. It might take few minutes running it first time. You also need CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8 FFmpeg and Visual Studio. Once 4.1 launch, it's ready to be used. To use this on select face option, upload face picture. On select reference, upload picture of skin tone you want to look like, you can upload same face picture. Now select cam you want to use and click live. Once you see the preview, you are ready to use it. It's up to you what options you want to use. To use it for video calling, you need to have OBS Studio installed. On OBS Studio, choose Source as Windows Capture. Choose Cam Preview window. Click OK, then you can adjust the screen you want to be displayed as your cam. Start virtual cam on OBS. Now go to software you want to call, like Instagram, and choose OBS Studio as your main cam. Now you can call using 4.1. I hope you like this video. If you are looking for installation help of any software, message me on my Instagram. If you got any request, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.